looks pretty raggedy. But it's got a vault kind of structure there.
A little bit.
Yeah.
New funnel. Bye-bye. Wow. Oh, definite ground contact.
Man, this is a big one.
They're all big.
Yeah, we were a little bit too far east.
It's not quite done yet.
Oh, look at that. Man, this wind is crazy. Tripod.
I can't do this for a while. You gotta shake it from the wind. You gotta shake it from cold.
Oh, it's spinning up again over here. Oh, look over there, guys!
It's another tornado.
There might be another tornado over there.
Oh my gosh. Way out there.
That's on the other cell.
Unreal.
I'm looking due west from my location. I am north of Alanreed, approximately 3 miles.
Attempt to get out of the car.
There we go. Nice funnel. Yeah, hang on to the door. Are you bored now? You've seen so many?
Oh,
yes.
that one.
Right there.
This thing could get kind of big if it...
This is
really
behaving like it's vortex breakdown.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly what it looks like. You have this larger scale vortex, and you just got...
I wonder if there are other funnels in there that just aren't visible.
You just
What
don't
does
see the
Neil say?
condensation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would think so.
Getting closer.
Yeah.
I don't feel like we're in any imminent danger from it, though.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Maybe it can
guys.
drop south really quickly and be out of its way.
Yeah.
Well, then again, with all these people on.
This is going to cross the road right in front of us, too, and we got a beautiful view. Yes. Wow. Wow. The main circulation is going to stay north of us, but we're going to get blasted by Arctic.
There's rain curtain right?
Mm-hmm. Very cold.
Holy cow.
No kidding.